shopo, shopo, shop. Lenyalo, lenyalo, wedding. Sekolo, sekolo, school. Lapeng, lapeng, house, home, or the compound. Ke tswa kwa lapeng, ke tswa kwa lapeng. I'm coming from home. Ke ya kwa lapeng, ke ya kwa lapeng. I'm going home. Ntlo, ntlo, house, the building. Tsena, tsena, get in or go in. Kgotla, kgotla, neighborhood or ward. Kereke, kereke, church. Sepatela, sepatela, hospital. Tsela, tsela, road. Motse, motse, village. Kliniki, kliniki, clinic. Poso, poso, post office. Kgotla, kgotla, customary court and meeting hall. Gaufi, gaufi, near or close. 1. Villages are made out of schools, clinics, government offices, and other landmarks that you'll need to learn in order to get around. In Botswana, roads rarely have names, and you'll use neighborhoods and buildings to tell others where you need to go.
A few common landmarks are shops, dishopo, schools, dikolo, churches, dikereke, and clinics, dikliniki. To practice using some of the Setswana words for landmarks, we'll have a few conversations that you may encounter.
Where do you live? O nna kae?
I live in Kanye, ke nna kwa Kanye.
Where in Kanye? Kae mo Kanye?
I stay near the post office, ke nna gaufi le poso.
Many Botswana will be curious about you and want to know where you are going.
Where are you coming from? O tswa kae?
I'm coming from the Kgotla. Ke tswa kwa Kgotleng.
Where are you going now? Jaanong o ya kae?
I'm going to my house. Ke ya kwa ntlong ya me.